Hello, my dear friends. My name is Ritu Vashisht. I am NLP Master practitioner and a parenting coach. I am here to discuss yet another success mantra with you. It is said that don't count your life by the number of breaths you breathe. Count it by the number of moments that took your breath away. Mr. Napoleon Hill wrote his book Law of Success after 25 years of intense research. He wrote in his book that most of the successful people have few common qualities, and one of it is enthusiasm. I would agree with Mr. Hill in totality, because if we look around, most of the successful people are generally highly enthusiastic. What is enthusiasm? It is just a positive state of mind. It is fuel that burns within us, that takes out best of our talent and abilities. To be successful, we have to set a goal in front of us. We have to set a bigger, brighter, and a beautiful goal in front of us. And when we move towards that goal with a lot of enthusiasm in our mind, people around us get inspired seeing us. People around us get motivated seeing us. They come forward to join us in our venture. And when something like this happens, a mastermind effect is created. Mastermind effect is the effect where 1 plus 1 becomes 3 and 1 plus 1 is not 2. You can very well imagine when with this kind of effect we move towards our goal. Success is definitely there for you. It is guaranteed that you will be successful in your life. When we are moving towards our goal, sometimes we do feel weak. There are few such moments in our life when we feel that there is lack of enthusiasm. I'll discuss few points with you. If you recollect these moments during those weak times in your life, I'm sure it will provide you with a lot of fuel to move towards your goal. Point number 1. Always make your goals bigger, brighter, and beautiful. Mr. Napoleon Hill says that none of the human beings are lazy ever. Lazy are their goals. If you make your goals bigger, I'm sure it will supply you with a lot of positive energy and which will help you to complete your task and be successful eventually. Point number 2. During your path, when you're moving towards your goal, there will be points when you will achieve small successes. To inform your brain about these achievements. When you will inform your brain, it will reach your subconscious mind. And when your neurons stay informed about this success, every cell of your body will celebrate this success. And your body will secrete such hormones which will let this positive state of mind be always there by your side. Point number 3. If I ask you a question, how would you eat an elephant? Your answer would be 1 bite at a time, and that is the correct answer. That is the exact way you have to move towards your goal, step by step. If you will move step by step, in achieving your aim, you will be successful. If you try to take a giant leap and reach towards your goal, sorry to say, but you will not be able to reach your goal. Everything has to be smooth and steady. Point number 4. Last but not the least, according to me, it is one of the most important points. If you feel you are surrounded with people who don't provide you with any positive energy, who mock at you, who leg pull you every now and then, I think it is the right time for you to resolve your surrounding. Walk away from those people, walk away from those surroundings. Because you have an aim right in front of you. If somebody tries to mar that enthusiasm within you, you will not be able to reach your goal. You need to resolve your surroundings. Please do that. I wish you all the success in life, my dear friends. Be happy, be healthy, and most importantly, be enthusiastic always. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and press that little bell icon so that next time whenever I upload my video, you will get a notification. Till then, take care, goodbye.